Get ready to move to the sound of the Caribbean. My name is Selena Watkins, and I'm the founder and CEO of Socanomics. And today's 10-minute workout is guaranteed to get you feeling good, feeling great in your body, and in a blissful mindset. So, all you need is yourself on the dance floor. Come on, join us. We've got 4 moves to learn. That's it. All right, ease and flow. Enjoy yourself. And that's all that we have to think about. Arms come up and down. Add your hips. Here we go. Sway. Yes. It's like we're coming up to the ball of that foot and accentuating the action of the hip to the side. Hip to the side. Hey. Good. Let's turn profile. Hip. Good. All right. Next leg. Woo. Yes. First foot. Hey. Rock. Yes. Good. All right. Let's learn the next half of that. I love a body roll. That's kind of like one thing you need to know about me. I love a body roll. Let's do 4 more. Really articulating through our spine as we roll back and down.
And it just feels so good.
It feels good. Maybe you add a shoulder, move it out the way. All right, we're gonna put these 2 together. Here we go. Let's rock. Hey. All right, body roll, let back. Back. Good, next foot is ready. Rock. Yes. There we go. Roll it. Beautiful, y'all. Let's do it again. Rock. Good. Woo! Make it as big as you're ready to do. Big, right? Maybe you're really rocking the boat. Rocking the boat. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. All right, let's keep chipping.
Hey.
Hey. See, Soca is also the sound of the Caribbean. All of the Caribbean. So we're gonna keep these hips moving and start with our second move of our chest. Rolling all the way around. Good. Yes. We got the front, but don't forget the back. Good. Let's go 4 more. We roll it. 3, 2, 1. That's part 1. We walk. Send it side to side. Hey. Yes. Easy. Well, we don't do nothing basic.
Hey.
So, no basic. No. Hey. Add your arms. Hey. Good. Pretend your partner is right there. Hey. Ha. All right. Put those 2 moves together. We roll it. Take it side. Stay here. We're gonna cross. Whoa. Hup. Stay right here. Let's do that again. Cross, open, up, down, hip. I call that a patty cake, and a hip parade.
Hey.
Patty cake, and a hip parade. 1 more. Good. Chest roll, let's rock it. Take it side. Good. Patty cake. Hip. Good, y'all. Wow. This is feeling really nice. Can we go from the top?
Mm-hmm.
How about it? Whoa. Send the body to the roll. Back. Maybe there's an arm, right? Only you know. Woo! Roll. Good job. Keep chipping. Get ready to rock the chest. Hey. We're going 4, 3, 2. Here we go. Roll it. Yes. Side to side. Cross, open, up, down. Hip parade. Yep. You ready for the next move?
Yes.
All right. We take these legs back to front in a lunge. Hands, press down. Ooh, but you gotta add pressure. Push down. A little faster. 4, 3, 2, 1. Back leg, screaming yes?
Yes.
Down. 2, 3, 4. Woo. Good. All right, let's switch sides. Make the next leg burn. Down. Woo. Maybe get low.
Yay.
Ay, 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 ay. All right, second half of that move. Face me. Down and up. Maybe your arms are right at chest level, or maybe they're high to the sky. Down, either at chest or down and up high. A little faster. Down, up, down. Woo. Good, reverse it. Take it down. Oh. Adding that to our lunge. Let's see what it looks like. Here we go, take it down, roll. Woo. Hands on the thighs. Hands on your knees, hands on your knees. Woo. Take it down, hey. Looking good, ladies. You're looking good. Down. Who wants to get low? Drop it to the floor. Woo. One more. Drop down. 2. Yes. Let's take it from the top. Rock it. A little rocketable. You look good, Rehima.
Thank you, boo.
You look good, Claudine.
Thank you.
A little rock. Hey, yep. Rock it back. Good job, roll your chest. Roll it. Yes. Maybe each time you make it look a little bit more fun, like you're enjoying it. Maybe it just looks a little bit more sexy every time. Lunge, let's go, roll it. 2. We're ready to drop it. Down, up, down. Woo. Good, drop, lift. One more time, let me see, let's lunge. Woo. Yes, drop it. Yes, one more. This feels nice. Y'all ready for the last move?
Yeah. Yeah, let's go for it.
They're ready. Let's flick. Flick, flick, drop. A little flick, flick, drop. But it's not just the hands. It's the waist. It's the waist. It's the waist. Good. 4 more. 2 more. Good job. Let me see you clap. Hey! A little clap on top. You guys, we just learned all the moves.
Hey.
Those are all the moves.
Yes.
So we can put it together into one beautiful dance. Keep clapping with me. On top. Hey. Good job. One more. All right, ladies, are we ready to take it from the very top?
Yes.
All right, we have a dance. This is our vacation vibe. Woo. Woo. I don't know, maybe you got something in your hand. I don't know. Feel you. Here we go. Get those arms ready. Let's rock it. Come on, rock. Wow. Here we go. Hey. Hey. Good job. Take it again. Rock. Yes. Send me that body. Good job. Rock again. Big. Woo! Show me that body. Yes, again. Hey. Woo! Body. All right, let me see that chest roll. Yes. Side step, rock. Clapping on. Hey. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Take it again. Roll that chest. Take it side. Cross. Yes. Let me do that again. Roll it. Good. Side. Clap on top. Hey. One more. Big roll. Ladies, are we smiling? Are we feeling good?
Okay.
All right. Lunge. Let's rock it. 2. As low as you can go. Down. Woo. That one I feel. Again, drop it down. Hey. 2. Push, 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 push. Drop it down. One more. Let's rock. Get it. Woo. Down. Good job. A little flick. Hey, a little flick. Good clap on top. A little clap. Again, a little flick. Hey. Cha-cha moment coming on.
Yes,
Kind of feel it. Here we go. Rockets in 4, 3. Do you? Do you? Let me see. Hey, hip, hey, hip. Free movement, free play. Drop it like it's hot. Rock it like it's hot. Hey, 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 Billy. Ooh, get it, yeah, hey. I don't know. This is what I like to do on vacation. It is. Yes.
Grab your girls.
Grab my girl, grab my drink. Hey, hey.
Flip it out.
Oh. Thank you so much for joining us on Dance Fitsugar. Thank you to Rehima and Claudine for crushing it with us. We hope to see you next time.
Work.
Bye.